don't give them anything to walk to. Let's just let them sit down. And they're gonna talk. And they're gonna talk. I love you too, but you're late. You're late, Mom. You're late. You're late. You're late. You're late. And she gonna try to blame it on the kid. Ain't that something? Alright. So we got graffiti, we got dancing, we got DJ, okay, so we got one more element to hip hop. One more element to hip hop. Let me get J. Marie to the stage right now. She gonna spit from here. Zach, give us that.
Really, Zell? This is what we're doing?
That's what we're doing. Oh, ridiculous. Come on, baby. Let's go.
People know my name, don't really want the same, though. It's the same rainbow, so I was real.